This is your TRS exam workspace. Just as you need an overall strategy for how you approach the exam, you should also have a strategy for managing the workspace effectively. This video will provide you with the guidance you need to understand the functionality of the workspace and how to manage it effectively. You have some initial information on the main screen, a series of exhibits that can be opened, resized, moved, and closed like this. There are also a number of requirements and response options that work in the same way. And here is a Close All button that shuts all open windows with one click. Let's stay on this top menu bar and look at other available functionality. The initial information can be highlighted, or text can be crossed out using the Strike Through button. Simply highlight the relevant text and choose Highlight or Strike Through. There are a number of highlight colors available. These functions also work on the text within the exhibits and requirements but not in the response option windows such as the word processor.
There is a calculator that can be switched from scientific to a standard version. But of course you can use your own calculator as long as it cannot store data.
And when you are completing your answers, this button makes it easy to enter in a symbol such as a dollar or euro sign.
However, do be aware you will only be working with pounds and not any other currencies.
You also have a scratch pad where you could make rough notes, but please be aware that anything you enter into the scratch pad is not saved and will not be marked. There is a Help button in the bottom left corner that contains details of the functionality within the workspace and also contains a copy of the initial exam instructions. The TRS is a case study exam, and therefore all the requirements are on this page. The remaining buttons, Navigator, Flag, and Next, are used in other ACCA exams where there are multiple question screens. One final piece of functionality is the ability to copy text from the exhibits and requirements into the response options. Simply select the text you want to copy, press Ctrl+C, choose where you want to paste the text, and press Ctrl+V. You can also use the Paste button in the Response option window. Be aware that you may need to do some formatting after you copy the text over. Now let's turn our attention to managing the workspace effectively. Our first piece of advice is to only have windows open when you need them. This avoids you having too much open on your screen at one time, allowing you to focus on the task in hand. One way in which you can minimize the number of windows open in your workspace is by copying the requirements into the appropriate response option. Both response options have been set up with specific space to answer each requirement. Here I will copy across requirement 2A into the relevant word processor answer space.
We recommend doing this only for requirements that will be answered in the word processor.
Another way you can minimize the number of open windows is when analyzing the exhibits, only having one open at a time where possible. As you go through the exhibits, You can either copy key information into your response option or highlight it, making it easier for you to find later in the exam. And this means you don't have to have all of your exhibits open throughout the exam. You can open them as and when you need to.
Also note that particular exhibits are needed for certain requirements, and this is always clearly detailed in the requirements themselves.
Our second key piece of advice is to have set places on your screen for the different windows. Here you can see that we've got the word processor on the right and an exhibit on the left. This is one example of how you can have your screen set up, but remember, you can choose the layout that's best for you. The important thing here is that you have an approach and you apply it consistently. Our third piece of advice for effective workspace management is, where possible, ensure you're not covering up the top toolbar. This makes it easier to access these functions. You can use the past exams within the past exam library to plan and test your strategy for managing your workspace effectively. Continue to practice your approach so it comes naturally to you on the day of the exam, giving you the best chance of exam success.